In this quick video, I'll show you how to delete audio only in Davinci Resolve 18. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So I have this clip, I just need to import it on my timeline, and now as you can see it have some audio. So I want to get rid of this audio. So for that I will just click on this audio. After that I need to click on delete. Now as you can see my both clips are deleted, video clip and audio clip both are deleted. I just need to click Ctrl Z on my keyboard and it is now on my timeline. After that I just need to select this audio clip only. For that we can right click on our clips, then click on link clips, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl Alt and L. We can click on it and now you can see it is now unlinked. I need to click on audio clip, and now instead of pressing delete key we need to press backspace, so it will delete our audio clip. You can see my audio clip is deleted by clicking on backspace. So we just need to use backspace to delete our clips. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.